Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Don baby. So today is Thursday. We got one more day of school, and I'm gonna show y'all how to attack the plate and how I'm practicing on my vertical lines. The vertical has been a little complicated to me. I'm trying to get the hang of it. Yesterday I missed the whole second half of class because, you know, Mother Nature just wasn't on my side and it took your girl downhill. So today I feel a little better, a little more alive. So I'm gonna show y'all what really be going on. I ain't gonna record too much because I already noticed how my camera went white and black, and I don't need that fucking up my phone. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Step number one, helmet. Tighten it. Alrighty. Boom. Step two, put your gloves on. Gloves on. Take a ride. This is a 70-18 ride right here. You're gonna grab your stinger or your electric holder. I think that's what they call that. And I'm gonna just keep put this in here so we can tackle the thing. Grab your plate. Grab it. Be careful with it, okay? Take a breath. Brush your plate off. You gotta brush your plate to get the rest off. Now, we can extract a line. Take your finger out. Top. Hold. Left. Hold it. Get in a comfortable position. Take the hammer. I think my thing's too high, so I'm gonna go turn my velocity down on my amperage or any. Go turn it down. I'll be back. Now that we turn our amperage down, we can now finish our line. See, that's what I did. Now we just gonna repeat the steps. I still don't know if my amperage is too high, so we're gonna try one more line and see what it does. I'm gonna go turn it down one more notch. And I'm just come back and show y'all like when I got like a couple lines on there. This one I had it up on 90. As you see, it's drippy, runny, uneven. Now it's on 86, but I'm gonna turn it down probably 2 more and see what type of finish it gives me. Alright y'all, so we back from first break. I gotta put my coat on and my sleeve so that I won't burn myself. And I kept this up because some metal popped on my neck and that really pissed me off. So we just gonna keep it like this. Up, no. So far, so good. I like it. Today, I'm feeling way better. Even though my stomach's still cramping and doing what it do, I do feel better. So that's a plus. But one thing I'm not ready to do is go to work and do carpool because yesterday was very hectic. I threw up twice. And I was cramping and crying outside in the heat in front of all them parents. No sir. This weekend I'm supposed to be doing hair and I'm supposed to get my hair braided by Clear. I just wanted 2 little old school braids. I don't know, like I'm really loving my simplicity lifestyle. Like the no nails. You know, of course I'm gonna keep my toes done. But I don't really care to have my hair done. No wigs, no weave. Just the simple things, you know? Because when I pop out, y'all know I pop out. So that's all that really matters. But yeah, I'm a weld one, finish this line as y'all see. I got right here and stop. Y'all see that? So I'm gonna go up and show y'all. And I'm putting these sleeves on top of these because got holes in my jacket. Adjust the cap. Look put my hair to the back. Helmet. There we go. These holes feel and act like other men. Pictures, even though they said Friday, today is Thursday. I'm looking like this. At least I'm matching. Y'all see that? That's what's going on. Yes, ma'am. That camera high as hell though. That shit like a mug shot. Here's how my finishing looks. It looks ugly and I don't like it. But he's gonna help me once again.
I'm feeling already lesbian. Can't enough on your double been lesbian. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I tried to have no all I ever did. I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. When the road is too tall like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Cause I done flying with Philippines. No kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. That's at the train with hella beats. When the water like rain on that G-store.
Y'all, my plate looks terrible. I mean, we're gonna try again Monday and Tuesday to see if we get this content down because so far, y'all, this has been the hardest concept that we have learned yet. Yeah, I passed the flat test, I passed my horizontal test, and now I'm on vertical, and my plate just don't look how I want it to look. So I low-key do feel defeated, but we're not gonna give up. It's like I have my in and out moments when I feel like I'm doing good and I'm doing bad. Like it's real funky, so we're gonna see how it goes.
I pay my dues like every cement. They say some fresh as some peppermint. Riches they come, ain't no better man. Alright, you go like a treasure chest. Alright, you go like a leprechaun. I got this deal with a magazine.